Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to start working on our app. So I have the default file new project open, and it's a single view project. That's what I've selected. So let's get started. I'm going to basically first get some of the assets, and let's work on um, our launch screen first. So I'm going to drop an asset that is basically, or it's going to work as a background for our app launch screen. So we're going to call it launch background. Okay. Now we're gonna go back here and we're gonna drop a not in the main, actually in the launch screen, and gonna take a image view. Gonna take an image view, and this image view we're gonna basically cover it full screen. And now let's make sure that we have actually adjusted its top and bottom, not to be from the safe area, but to be relative to the super view. Okay, and to make sure the constant is 0. And we are going to be doing the same thing for the bottom, and it's going to be safe area, not safe area, basically super view. Okay, it was selected as safe area. Right, now we'll select this, we'll give it the background image, and now it doesn't matter actually how it's basically covering the screen, because what we're going to do is we're going to use a blur view and cover this whole thing. So we will use 0 0 across to cover it for the entire screen. Now let's select it and updates its constraints as well. So we're gonna say should be super view, that bottom. Okay, and then for the top is going to be again super view and 0. All right, now let's select the visual this blur view, and let's check out what are the other options. So we have extra light, dark. I think light actually looks good. Let's make it regular. Alright, so this is actually looking perfect. So let's grab a UI label. Gonna drop it right in the middle, change its font to be custom, and Avenir next, heavy italic, or maybe medium italic is good. Bump up its size to be about 40 points, and you're gonna say traffic sign classifier or signification. There we go. Let's make sure it's a 0. That means lines are 0. That means it can grow up to, like, however many lines. And then we wanna center it vertically in the container, and there we go. Okay, I think white color is going to look better on this. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's launch this and check it out how it's looking. Okay, cool. That's looking, that's actually, that was the old app. My bad. Okay. Oh no, that was our app. Okay, let's check it out one more time. Because it was launch screen, it actually disappeared relatively quickly. But there we go. This is what it looks like. So in the next video, we can actually start working on this screen, populated with the collection view and everything, and gonna go from there. All right, cool. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.